Hey guys, I'm B and I'm back with another BeeVlogs. So, as you can tell, this is my vlog voice. So, today I will not be vlogging, but I will be teaching you some things in how I paint in Photoshop. So, please bear with me because I don't usually do this. I'm not sure how I can do this, but yeah, so let's try it. Let me just... Why can't I get paintbrush? Give me the paintbrush. Okay. So yeah, I just selected the paintbrush tool and I want to make this larger. Let me just, yeah. Let me grab this, no, not that. No, not that. Okay, maybe, no. Okay, let's just try this one. We'll see how it happens. So I just start off with a base. And here, let's try this one. Okay. Let's just make it more this. Well, it's not really ideal to have to paint in Photoshop using a mouse, but let's see how it happens. It's just a quick tutorial, so it's not gonna be that pretty, but I hope you're gonna like this. Yeah, just start off with a messy base. I'm not even sure how I do it exactly. So yeah, let's do that. I don't know. Okay, so and then after that, we can do another. Don't forget to create a new layer so that if you mess it up, you can delete it and go and do another layer. So you can go back and forth if you want to change something about it. Well, this is not really looking good because I'm panicking and I'm nervous because this is the first time I'm using Loom as a video tutorial. Yeah, so please bear with me. That's the first layer. So let's go to the second layer. I usually do like a lighter color for this one. Oh no, use the wrong brush. Okay, let's just minimize the brush on this one. Just like that. Okay. Then, okay, that's that. We'll have another one and we'll just do a dark color for the shadows. So please, this is not my artistic side. This is me panicking and not knowing how I can paint this nicely. Okay, so let's try what color? Let's try a darker color like this. Yeah. Okay. Let me just... Okay, where's the pink? What the heck? What is happening? Okay, yeah, I got it. Let's just large. Large. Let's make it large. I'm sorry. Let's make it large. It's not how I usually do my art, but I can do this. Okay, that doesn't look so terrible. Maybe more. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, and now we can make a cute pot. Just have to find the right color. Here. Here. So let's do another layer. Okay. And we can fill that out. Just like that, we can put it on the background so that it doesn't really affect. Okay, so now we're gonna put some shadows. Okay, put some shadows for the pot. Okay. Oh no, I picked the wrong color. I'm sorry. It should be darker. Yeah. Okay. So it's nice. Okay. Well, this is relaxing for me. Okay. Where is the eraser? Okay, can erase. It's blocking. Okay. Now we can put some shadows on the bottom of the pot. So this, let's make the opacity lower. Make this larger. looks good. That's nice. And now for the finishing touch. Let's just have a message. Okay. Sorry, that was my dog. Okay, so let's just put dog. Am I right? Dogs, am I right? But I love them. Okay, let's just do that. Let's make it there you go. Now you have a cute painting. Is it a painting though? That you can use for like a sticker, for a GIF, or like you can make it a GIF actually, but that takes too long, so I won't show you that. But thank you for watching my tutorial on how to paint a plant on Photoshop. So thank you. Bye.
Bye.